Hi, my name's Lee Cunningham here at HWM Aston Martin in Walton-on-Thames. Delighted to present to you this beautiful DB11 Volante in Xenon grey signature metallic paintwork. Standout car, it's a 2022 model year car, so it's really very new in that sense. Really cool aspect of this car is it's a very heavy metallic flick to this paint, which really makes the car pop, particularly under the studio lights and in good bright sunlight. Just going to run you through a few external features, then we'll move on into the interior of the car, just to really give you a sense of its character and its presence. I really do think it's a standout example. So a few points to really kind of focus on. Gloss lower package, which really kind of highlights the Xenon grey paintwork. The side strikes are in gloss black, and also the upper package is in gloss. So it kind of really outlines the whole profile of the car. Standout silver 10-spoke alloy wheels as well. Black calipers with white Aston Martin script. Obviously on the rear of the car you'll see we've got smoked rear lenses, which I think is a really cool touch. It really just gives it that really kind of understated kind of feel to it. This is the V8 engine car, which is definitely, I think, a more agile kind of connotation of the DB11 chassis. So yeah, it's a really strong car. Again, it's, as you can see, the way it's arrived to us, we haven't done any prep work on it as yet. Really isn't any damage on it, and it comes with obviously full Aston Martin service history, which sits under the timeless programme as per the manufacturer's requirements. So it will come with a full warranty package, Aston Martin emergency assistance cover and breakdown cover as well. That's all encompassed in the sale price. So you're not only buying virtually a new car, you've got this element of protection, plus it comes with a 5-year service package as well. So you've got a big chunk of the servicing kind of cost taken care of for the foreseeable future. So all those elements put together really makes it an attractive proposition as we move into the summer months here in 2023. So welcome to the interior of the DB11 Volante 2022 model year car. As you can see, the black theming inside the car really contrasts the external Xenon grey signature metallic paintwork. This is obsidian black leather throughout the car. Also it's got the contrasting silver stitch, which really obviously highlights the shapes, the features, and really gives the whole interior a lot more character. You've got the embossed Aston Martin wings in the top of the headrest as well. Also key elements to it are the trim inlay, which is a piano black finish, which is on the waterfall centre console here. Also you've got it in the door cards. This is complemented by the jewellery pack, which is satin chrome, which is a really kind of nice kind of texture to it as well, and it really complements, I think, the black theme throughout the car. You've got it obviously on the paddles, you've got it on the door handles, through the controls in the steering wheel, around the centre vents and the side vents, and also this is mirrored in the door cards with the speakers and the surrounds around the door handle. One really nice key feature is on the back of the headrest, you've got the piano black finish as well, so the inserts behind the headrest, which is really nice. Just gives it a really kind of nice kind of luxury and sort of classic feel. You've got complemented by dark Alcantara up in the headline and built into the interior of the roof. Very strong car. It's covered 5,400 miles from new. As I say, it comes with full Aston Martin dealer service history, so it really represents what effectively is a brand new car that's just run in that sense. So it's all ready to go, it's on the button, and it can be obviously bought and purchased through us here at HWM Aston Martin. We offer a lot of different finance packages, lots of different ways to fund it, and we'd be delighted to walk you through the car and also options of how to purchase such a lovely Aston Martin.